Marisol. Can you please introduce yourself, your expectations on the training, name, location, and expectations?
Yes, okay. So hello there, everyone. I am Marisa, and I am actually here in Bicol right now. Actually, I joined this training because I want to learn more about the know-hows of lead generation specialist. Yes, that's all.
Any expectations on the training?
Syempre, ni-expect ko din na by the end of the training, I was able to learn more about the things that they were actually doing. Kasi I've actually read lots of whenever I search online jobs, and I've actually read about lead generation specialists, but I don't really know what their job is, what they were actually doing. So, yeah.
Appreciate that.
That's why I joined this training.
Marisol, yung pronunciation mo, tamang-tama doon sa trabaho. Ganyan yung, ganyan yung neutral. Okay. Pronunciation, okay yan. So, nasabi mo yun sa YouTube, wala kayong makikita na ganito ka-extensive na training.
Yes, sir.
So, kung na-refer kayo ng mga nag-graduate na, so they will testify that they already have their jobs already.
Hi guys, my name is Marty and I'm from Taguig. And expectation, I want to learn more about how VA, especially with lead generation specialist, since that I'm from BPO as well for almost 7 years. So yeah, so I also wanted to also experience my safe zone. So, though it's really challenging, tsaka nakakapagod mag BPO, especially night shift. Syempre, I'm also a mother, so I wanted to also work na sa bahay, and then while doing my mother. I consider this as work, lifetime work. Being mother, syempre, kailangan mo rin na asikasuhin yung kids mo while working. So,
good afternoon po. I'm Rose from Baliwag, Bulacan. My expectation po is to learn more about how virtual assistant works. Tapos po, to gain more knowledge.
I'm Laila, but you can call me Laila for short. And I'm from Cagayan de Oro, Mindanao. Then, well, my expectations are after this training, I will be able to learn how lead generation virtual assistants work, and well, to enhance my knowledge in virtual assistant, because I also tried different boot camp for virtual assistant, so I wanted to enhance my skills. Thank you.
Appreciate that. Definitely. We will dig deeper as we move forward. Nabayad ka sa bootcamp? May bayad?
Yes po.
Pwede matanong ko magkano?
Medyo mahal nga po yun, mga 6.
Grabe, no? Grabe.
Yung mga po.
Worth it naman na nagkaroon ka naman ng trabaho?
Parang hindi ko kasi siya masyado na-apply kasi may trabaho ako, so parang nasayang lang din siya. Hindi ko siya gusto ko lang din i-refresh yung.
Okay. So again, committed kami, guys, na yan. Dig deeper, learn more. Marami yan. Sige, appreciate that, Myla.
I am Febby from Cagayan de Oro City. And my expectation, that all of us are friendly and approachable during the training. And I expect that I will learn and expand my knowledge about virtual assistant. And I expect that the training would be fun and exciting, as well as very informative. Yes, well, that's it.
Yes, hi, good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Maricel. You can call me Zell. I'm from La Trinidad, Benguet. My expectation in this training is, of course, I'm gonna gain more knowledge about lead generation. Of course, I expect that I will have a job. So let's bring it on.
That's the objective, actually. And
yes.
Yeah, since looks like you have a call center experience, so it will be easier Sa mga walang
Yes.
BPO experience, walang problema. We are here not to look for your weaknesses, look for your area for improvements. So, ang challenge lang dito, kailangan confidence. So, alam naman namin na confident kayo